The claimant was a pregnant woman, and one day she got off a tram and saw the defendant in a motorcycle rush past her. She heard a crash about 50 feet away, and the defendant was killed by the accident. Sometime later, the claimant went to see what happened and saw a pool of blood left where the defendant's body had been. The claimant went into shock and suffered a miscarriage. She brought a negligence claim against the defendant's estate. The court held that the defendant, who was now dead, was not liable for any psychiatric harm that the claimant might have suffered as a result of the accident. It was not foreseeable that the claimant would go out of her way to find out what happened and then suffer shock as a result. Also, there was no proximity between the claimant and the defendant because the claimant was not present at the scene of the accident when it happened. Therefore, the defendant did not owe her a duty of care and the negligence claim failed.